All right, today we'll be talking about developmental networks and gene expression, and we will use Star Wars and some of its characters as an example to create a developmental network and analyze how multiple different gene products interact together to lead to a certain expressed phenotype. So first we'll look at the characters, and the characters represent genes. So we have R2-D2, who is a droid that Luke Skywalker's dad bought. We have Obi-Wan, who is an old Jedi. We have Luke Skywalker, who is the main protagonist in the movie, and we have Darth Vader, who is the main antagonist in the movie. Next, we'll look at the network and how they're all laid out together. So arrows represent activation, which means it leads to the next step, and T-bars represent repression or inactivation, which means it does not lead to the next step. So here, R2-D2 is on the way to Obi-Wan, and Luke Skywalker is following. R2-D2 trying to bring Obi-Wan a message. Obi-Wan meets Luke and trains Luke into the Jedi way, and then Luke battles and defeats Darth Vader. So our possible outcomes represent phenotypes. So if Darth Vader is defeated, intergalactic peace will follow. If Darth Vader is not defeated, the Empire will follow. So we'll look at wild type to begin with. All wild type means all genes are free of mutations and are functioning properly. So if they're functioning properly, R2-D2 will bring the message and Luke to Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan will train Luke in the Jedi way, and Luke will defeat Darth Vader. So if Darth Vader is defeated, intergalactic peace will follow. Next, we'll look at a single mutant. So here, R2-D2 is a mutant. Mutants do not function properly. So if R2-D2 is not functioning properly, he will not lead Luke and a message to Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan will not train Luke, and Luke will not be able to defeat Darth Vader. So thus, our end phenotype is the Empire. Lastly, we'll look at a double mutant. Double mutant means two genes have mutations, and thus two genes will not function properly. So here, R2-D2 is free of mutations, but Obi-Wan has a mutation, means he is not home, and Luke is unable to train in the Jedi way. So R2-D2 can try and come here, but he's not going to be able to go to the next step because Obi-Wan is defective. Luke is also defective, so he will not be able to defeat Darth Vader. So the end phenotype will be the Empire. So lastly, let's dig a little deeper and talk about the biology. So the R2-D2 gene activates the transcription of the Obi-Wan gene. The Obi-Wan gene then activates the transcription of the Luke Skywalker gene, and the Luke Skywalker gene then represses the translation of Darth Vader mRNA, thus inhibiting Darth Vader expression. And here are my references, and thank you for watching.